Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm ready with one of the interesting topic in AI is deep learning. So in previous past videos we studied about AI, we studied about data, we studied about data sciences, we studied about machine learning with their examples as well. Now this is time to study about deep learning. So study. So friends, basically deep learning is a subset of machine learning. In previous lecture we studied about the example of social media website, that whatever we are searching, that is stored in our log, and that log created a file, and on that file, on the basis of that file, the result is shown to us. Whatever we are searching, we get close to that data. So suppose we are searching about e-commerce site, and in that e-commerce site we are more studying about the gadgets. So, and in gadgets we are more interested about the mobile phones, so it shows the branded mobile phone to us, to our social media sites, to our Play Store, so we can find the apps of mobile phones. So basically deep learning is the subset of machine learning, and furthermore it has network capable of learning unsupervised from data that is unstructured or unlabeled, also known as deep neural learning or deep neural network. So what they are saying, that it's the subset of machine learning and artificial intelligence that has network capable of learning. In that network we make a network, like in previous slide, that is the network that is capable of learning unsupervised and unstructured or unlabeled data. Here none of the data is labeled, none of the data is structured, and none of the data is properly labeled. So what they are doing, that on the basis of algorithm it learns the data, and all the nodes which are connected to each other, it assigns data to further proceedings. So why we are saying and why we are calling neural? So basically it's take inspiration from human mind. Like in our mind, every nerve is connected to each other and the message is, or signal is passed, but here it doesn't. The similar message, it's not like a human brain, but just here we are, it's similar, the task performed like a brain, and like mind follows the neurons and it follows the algorithm, and on the basis of algorithm we are taking decisions. You can see that these, basically the circle, you can see these are nodes, and you can see that horizontal line, that horizontal line is a layer, and the first is the input layer and the last is the output layer, and the middle one layer is the hidden layer. Whatever the procedure is performing in that hidden layer is unknown to us. Whatever the algorithm and whatever the procedure is applied is unknown. Just we give the input. Here we are given the input to dog, not a cat, so it's taken an input of dog, and after taking the input it is assigned to the hidden nodes, and whatever the procedure the hidden node is applying we don't know, and the output is dog in front of us. And furthermore all the nodes are interconnected to each other. These are densely connected basically, and every single node is connected to other node. You can see this is the first node, it's connected with the last node, third node, second node, and with the first node. So every node is densely connected to each other. And that's all for the deep learning. I hope you understand it very well. If you have any query about that, so do ask me in comment box. And friends, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.